Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our review of the Kamado Joe KJ23RH. Watch until the end to know our final verdict on whether it's worth the purchase. The Kamado Joe grill is famous for infusing smoke flavor into your grilled meat. The inside of the grill features a divide-and-conquer cooking system, as Kamado Joe refers to it. The system is characteristic of the half-moon-shaped stainless steel grills that can be used either as a unit or can be broken into half, giving you the chance to make 2 meals at a go, and with 2 different temperature zones. The divide-and-conquer system is also equipped with an accessory rack that's been made complete with 2 half-moon-shaped ceramic heat deflectors, perfect for protecting your food from extreme temperatures. You can also put a water pan on the accessory rack under the cooking grids when smoking something like ribs. The accessory rack can assume 2 different positions. Thus, you can also set it at the top part to achieve a convection baking setup. Kamado Joe has additionally been configured to double up as a wood-fired pizza oven, and in case you run out of heat, the sides of the classic charcoal grill are spacious enough to allow you to add charcoal as cooking progresses. What we liked: comes complete with a grid lifter and fire poker tool. The grill body ceramics are backed by a lifetime warranty. The bottom door can be used to control airflow. The airlift hinge reduces the weight of the lid, thus easy to open. What we didn't like: the paint peels. High price. Specifications: as per the specs, this classic charcoal grill is quite innovative, featuring a thermometer at the top cover that you can use to check and regulate the temperatures. The charcoal grill is additionally made of durable stainless steel material. Features of the Kamado Joe KJ23RH. The charcoal grill is versatile. This classic charcoal grill by Kamado Joe is highly versatile and can be used for 3 distinct applications. You can use it to make grilled food and produce delicious smoke-infused flavors. You can also use it to smoke your favorite foods or even bake your favorite cookies. Kamado Joe charcoal grill design enables efficiency. The design of this charcoal grill enables it to hold in moisture and heat, thus simplifying temperature control. Slide-out ashtray. The incorporation of the slide-out ashtray makes cleaning the classic charcoal grill easy, because all the ash collects on the ashtray, and by pulling it out, you can easily dispose of the dirt. The slide-out ashtray has a door that doubles up as a ventilator and is at times used to control airflow in the charcoal grill. Felt gasket. Kamado Joe is equipped with a wire mesh fiberglass gasket that offers an airtight seal, consequently ensuring that the grill retains the most heat and smoke. Amp firebox. The classic charcoal grill is also a characteristic of a multi-panel ceramic firebox, with panels that have been held to position by the incorporated stainless steel ring. Noteworthy is that the thick ceramics used in the making of the Kamado Joe charcoal grill enable it to double up as a charcoal cooler. Cast iron air vent. The cast iron vent incorporated in the Kamado Joe charcoal grill is made of durable aluminum material. It also has a top cap designed to protect the grill from rain, but with a provision that allows the user to adjust the airflow. If necessary, the top of the cast iron air vent can be pivoted away to enable maximum airflow. And in case you want to clean it, the chimney comes out easily without any tools. Thermometer. The lid-mounted thermometer makes monitoring the heat produced by your Kamado Joe charcoal grill easy. Self-activating latch. The classic charcoal grill is additionally equipped with a stainless steel self-activating latch. At the back, the unit features an airlift hinge that conveniently reduces up to 96% of the weight of the seal. The design of the hinge allows it to remain partially open without falling on the grill, or opening all the way to the back. 2 folding side shelves. Also, if you need some extra preparation space, the Kamado Joe classic charcoal grill has incorporated 2 folding side shelves that you can open and use. So, should you buy the Kamado Joe classic charcoal grill? Yes, you should buy the Kamado Joe classic charcoal grill, because apart from all the features that we have mentioned here, it can also be used for the rotisserie style of cooking. Who is it best suited for? Kamado Joe is best suited for use by homeowners who love to cook out in their backyards. It is a portable unit and can be transported to different cookout locations. That's all for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and let us know which videos you would like to see next from us. Catch you in the next one.